Did you know that Zoom has a new option when you're sharing screen? At the bottom of your navigation bar, you just open up the share screen and you might pick your slide deck, whatever you're wanting to share. But now you have the option of going in front. We've had that for a little while in front of your presentation, but they're also showing this option where it can be a little bit off to the side. That might make it easier if you don't have to then adjust your slide deck to accommodate you in front of it, or you can go the side by side. Just note that this won't impact how the recording looks. You'll be off in the corner and your slide deck will be full, but this is what your participants are going to see, and you have those options now. What's really neat too is you can change the wallpaper behind it too. So these are new layouts and options here at the bottom, and in order to see that those options come up, you just have to click that button here at the bottom, share. So enjoy that new option, testing that out. And you can always check what they're seeing here up at the top, and you can click stop share. My name is Patricia Regier. Enjoy your day.